again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I'm going to do a cute quick gel polish design today. I've pulled out some of my Kiki London colours and one of their rubber bases. So this is colour number 06 and they are cruelty free and vegan. There's all the ingredients there if anybody wants to see them. So yeah, this rubber base is like a nudie, babyish kind of pink. And for colours, I've got Pink Me Up, gorgeous bright pink, Just Peachy, that's a bit more of a coral off camera, and then Parrot Green. Look at this, guys. Woohoo! That is so smart, isn't it? And then this colour, Sea Blue, has got a pearly shimmer, really subtle pearly shimmer going through it. It is an absolutely stunning colour. I love it. So I'm going to start with the rubber base. Every colour is going to have a full coat of this. I'm just going to do 2 thin even coats on each nail. I love using this as a base colour because you get that acrylic or hard gel kind of look with slight transparency. I love using these rubber bases recently, and these jelly nudes that are going about. Really like them. I've got a 10% discount code for Kiki London, guys, as well. It'll all be in my description box with a link to the website. Something very exciting coming soon from Kiki London, guys. Keep your eyes peeled. I'm not allowed to say, but it's something exciting. Right, so they've had 1 coat, and this is the 2nd coat. And I've been curing them, I think, for 60 seconds. Can't remember. 30 or 60. Right, so that's then been fully cured now. I'm just going over with a matte top coat because I want to put some nail art, and I just prefer to paint on a matte top coat, and I wanted these nails matte anyway, so I've just gone over them with a matte top coat, and I'm just going to stick some of the pink and peachy colour on my palette, and I'm using the Kiki London Stripe Liner. Absolutely fantastic brush this for nail art and nail beds, absolutely brilliant. So on the pointer and pinky, they're going to be the same. The pointer's going to be pink and the pinky is going to be done in the peach colour. And I'm just doing French tips, so I'm just marking out my smile line. Always do your smile line a little bit lower down than where you are going to want it, just so if you make a mistake you can add to it instead of wiping the whole thing off. So I always start just a little bit lower. So I'm just going to colour the corners in with the detailer brush, and then I'll use the brush out the bottle to do the rest of it. And yeah, the pink is going to be the same, just done in the orange, and then I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds. Guys, I totally forgot to mention as well, the inspo for this set came from Scarlet Centre on TikTok. I will leave her TikTok in my description box. I'll stick a quick picture up on the screen of the set that I saw her do, and I told her I'm definitely gonna steal these. So that was the inspo for this set. The reason I did different flowers is because I could not, for the love of God, get my flowers to look like hers. Absolutely fantastic nail art, because guys, they look simple and easy. Believe me, they are not, because I tried multiple times to get my flowers to look like hers and I couldn't. But yeah, definitely go and check her out, guys. Fantastic nail artist. Right, so I'm gonna do some little flowers now. So I'm using a dotting tool, and I'm just doing 5 dots in a circle. You could do these as big or as small as you like. 5 dots in a circle, then a teeny tiny dot just to mark out where the middle of that circle is. And easiest way to do flowers, guys, just use them dots and a tiny skinny brush. Pull down the middle like that and down each side, and just turn it into a teardrop shape. Pull straight down the middle like that, and then down each side, turn it into a teardrop. And just do exactly that for every single petal. So I've done another one, a pink one, on the other nail, and I'm going to do the same again using the green and the blue. I'll just show you one more, I think, because yeah, they're all going to be exactly the same, and I'm just flash curing each of them for 10 seconds. Right guys, because I'm so fussy, I wanted these flowers glossy, so I'm just using Kiki London's glossy top coat, and I'm just putting a little dot on each of them flowers. I've just done them all in one go, and I'm just going to use that same brush and pretty much paint these flowers all over again with the top coat. You could just wipe the tacky layer off and leave them as they are, you really could, but I'm just extra fussy. Or you could use acrylic if you wanted that raised 3D embossed kind of look. You could sprinkle the clear acrylic into the flowers before you put them in the lamp. But no, I just wanted mine glossy on that matte background. I just thought it made them stood out a lot more. But yeah, you can just wipe that tacky layer off and they'll still look pretty. Right, so I've pulled out Kiki London's white. This is called Coconut, and I'm just going to do an outline around both of these smile lines. Right, so I've just gave those French tip nails a matte top coat, and they've been cured in a lamp for 30 seconds. Guys, I've pulled out my teeny tiny little plastic flowers, can you see, in white, and I'm colouring one of them in the peachy colour, like that, and I'm just holding on to it with one petal and curing it in the lamp, and then when I take them back out the lamp, that one petal there that I'm holding on to with the tweezers, I'm going to paint that now. Can you see that one petal that's left over? I'm going to paint that and stick that back in the lamp for 30 seconds. Aren't they cute? And then I'm going to stick them on the nails, the pink one on this one and the peach one on the pinky. I thought they were well cute. You could paint them. I have actually got them in pink and peach, but they weren't quite the right colour, so I thought, bugger it, I'm just going to paint them. There we go guys, that is them finished. I decided to put a little rhinestone in the middle of all those flowers, and I think they turned out really pretty. I really like them. Quite an easy design to do as well guys. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Don't forget I've got a discount code for Kiki London. Keep your eyes out for something very exciting coming from Kiki London. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.